Hi everyone. Let's talk about verb tenses. Present tense, past tense, and future tense. Okay, remember, tense is like time. So kind of like these words like today or right now. These are like time, right now. Or in the past, yesterday, last week. Or in the future, tomorrow or next week. So remember, right now we will talk about 3 verb tenses. Present tense, right now. Past tense, yesterday, last week, last year, 2 days ago. And future, tomorrow, next week, in 2 years, in 5 more minutes. All right, let's take a look at some examples. Okay, let's look at our first example. Remember, there are 2 kinds of verbs, okay? You have regular verbs like play and work. And you have irregular or not regular, irregular verbs like be and do. So let's look at the verb play, okay? In the present tense, like right now, today, now, you can write a sentence like, they play today. In the past tense, they played yesterday. They played yesterday. In the future tense, there are 2 kinds of future tense. 2 kinds. They will play tomorrow. They will play tomorrow. Or you can say, they are going to play tomorrow. They are going to play tomorrow. Okay, let's look at the next verb. Work. The present tense, they work today. Past tense, they worked yesterday. They worked yesterday. They will work tomorrow. Or the other future tense, they are going to work tomorrow. It's almost the same as play. Now, let's look at the irregular verb be. Present tense, they are happy today. Remember, you can say, I am happy today, or you are happy today, or she is happy today. For the past tense, they were happy yesterday. Remember, you can say, I was happy yesterday, or he was happy yesterday. Future tense, they will be happy tomorrow. This one does not change. You would say, I will be happy tomorrow, or she will be happy tomorrow. Okay? The second future tense, they are going to be happy tomorrow. They are going to be happy tomorrow. But remember, just like are can change, it can change here. Like I am going to be happy tomorrow. Or she is going to be happy tomorrow. Okay, let's look at the last example, the irregular verb do. So, present tense, they do homework today. They do homework today. Past tense, they did homework yesterday. They did homework yesterday. Remember, with do, you can also say, I do homework today. But if it's one person, like he or she, then you change it to, he does homework today, or she does homework today. The past tense does not change. You can say they did, or I did homework yesterday. She did homework yesterday. He did homework yesterday. There is no change. For the future tense, you say, they will do homework tomorrow. And there is no change. You say, I will do, he will do, she will do, they will do. For the second kind of future tense, they are going to do homework tomorrow. Remember, this is the verb be. Am, is, and are. This is the same, but this can change. You can say, I am going to do homework tomorrow. Or, she is going to do homework tomorrow. This does not change. There is no change. Be can be am, is, or are. All right. I hope that helps. I know it's a lot. But remember, you are smart. And you can do it. All right. Study, study. See you later.